Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pole buildings use round poles, whereas post frame buildings use square or rectangular post, commonly 4x4, 4x6, 5x5, 6x6 or larger treated lumber or laminated columns. Post frame buildings may often be built where pole barns are not permitted or zoned for.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
That being said, pole barn kits generally cost less than steel kits on smaller structures. However, beware of comparing only the initial costs. The building package itself only constitutes a part of the true cost. Remember, you normally get what you pay for on any purchase.
Take our lead.
Pole barn posts should therefore be set on footings to provide additional support. Footings must be large enough in area to prevent the pole barn from settling under the weight of the building, snow, and minimum live load requirements.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
8 feet. In general, posts should be spaced no more than 8 feet apart. Some builders position them every 4 feet for a completely rigid frame. The maximum distance between footings is determined by the size of your joist material.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Building a pole barn can cost significantly less than constructing a stick-built structure. The foundation usually makes up over 15% of the cost of constructing a single-story building. A pole barn uses posts buried in the ground to support the weight of the walls and the roof.
Take our lead.
Pole barn construction spaces the trusses 8 feet apart, or even up to 12 feet apart depending on the building design. With traditional stick frame construction, the trusses are usually spaced 2 feet apart.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
A pole barn is a simple building that's supported by poles in the ground and anchored by concrete. It can be built just about anywhere, with much of the work done by yourself. Pole barn construction is considered one of the most economical and simplest ways to build with materials that are relatively cheap.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.